Didn't you want to go outside?
Yes.
Outside?
No.
Outside?
Well,
Outside?
maybe.
Come on.
Well,
Want to go outside right now?
No.
You want to do it? You want to go outside?
Yes, I want to go outside.
It's the ultimate guide to nature.
A lively scenic jaunt outdoors. What could be more exhilarating?
Now let's learn about nature.
It sounds delightful.
Nature's amazing.
Do take it all in.
Okay, everyone, I'm gonna ask you to feel the beauty of everything that surrounds you.
Just look at this place. This planet is amazing.
Nature provides everything we need. Like this twig.
But don't take it all in.
Delicious.
Oh, look! A fork in the road.
Do know your directions.
My trusty compass will show us the way.
Don't get lost walking in circles.
We're going nowhere!
Look!
Do check the weather.
Embrace me, Earth Mother!
Don't get caught in a storm,
Ben, it's a knife storm.
especially a knife storm. Those will hurt, but when it clears up,
Hold it.
do dress in comfortable layers.
Better make it 3.
Don't get too comfortable.
You really gotta warn me before you show something graphic.
Let's go! Wait for me!
Do find a trail to explore.
Titans, hike!
Meet you guys there.
Don't cheat by teleporting.
It won't take a couple days.
The view.
Do let nature inspire you.
What's going on over here? Just drawing in the dirt, eh?
And don't get distracted by devices.
Hey, I did it!
Are you done?
Do stay hydrated, but don't overdo it.
I get all up in that water.
Do bring lots of snacks, but don't feed the wildlife. Do get some exercise,
I love hamburgers!
but don't forget to watch your step.
Whoa! That's a good way to break your face.
Do find a spot to rest.
Nice.
Don't just rest anywhere.
Oh, what's for breakfast? I prefer my worms on a hook.
Over here, boys. Take a look.
Do observe the wildlife. Don't annoy the wildlife.
Ow!
And please don't invade their space.
Be careful. It might be dangerous.
Or else.
Maybe I should smooth out my approach a bit.
Do admire the plants, but don't touch the poisonous ones. Do share your spot with others,
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
but don't overcrowd the spot. And please, don't litter.
I promise to make sure no one ruins the peace and quiet of this sanctuary.
So please, do respect nature
Ice Bear respects.
and leave it better than you found it.
You can't mess with nature, but you can team up with it.
On it! Water powers, activate!
The water's flowing.
Do have fun in nature.
Isn't this great? Playing in the creek?
Oh, he's been in that fountain for like 3 months.
But not for too long.
Woo! Nature, right? Pretty fun. Loving it.
Nice to see you relishing the majesty of nature.
I'm glad we cleaned this place up. I mean, we've only got one creek.
Nice to meet you, fish friends! Goodbye!
And finally, do tidy up before you head home.
And then everyone in the forest was happy. The end.